Hi everybody, my name is Amber Willett and this is my introduction video. I'm really excited to be in this class. So some of my experience in the social work field includes doing case management. I am a DBT instructor. I have a certification, but it's just not valid until I have my master's degree, so I'm just waiting for that. But I've taken the course. I love all things DBT, so I am currently a BHP/EdTech 3, so I'm working with children with autism and behavioral issues and different diagnoses like that in a school setting. So it's pretty interesting, not what I want to do for the rest of my life, but it's very interesting and it's really rewarding work. I've also worked in the emergency department doing mental health and crisis intervention in the locked unit right in the ER. I've worked on inpatient units. Yeah, so I've done a lot of different things. This past semester I interned at the National Association of Social Workers in the Maine chapter. So I was able to be a part of their annual conference and planning, and I am actually continuing to do work for them and stay involved. And I'm excited to be applying for a board position early this year. So yeah, that's been my experience. I have a lot of expectations from this course and reviewing the syllabus. There's a lot of things I'm excited about. Mental status evaluations are something I'm really passionate about. Observing behaviors and kind of monitoring behaviors and making treatment plans based on needs is something that I really enjoy doing. I'm also very excited to talk about different other methods of evaluation, as well as different practical applications and evidence-based practices. There's just a lot of information out there, and I'm excited to learn about more strength-based perspectives and such. So I think it's going to be a great semester. Thanks.